This is the new OPPO Reno 2. The Reno 2 is the latest iteration in OPPO's Reno series. Out of the box, the unit comes with a pair of earphones, a USB Type-C charger, a power brick, and a hard case. The Reno 2 sports an aluminum frame with a Gorilla Glass 6 protecting the display. This phone is ultra sleek at only 9.5mm thin. The all-new Reno 2 boasts a 6.5-inch AMOLED on-cell Full HD Plus display. For your mobile photography needs, the Reno 2 features an AI quad camera setup at the back, composed of a 48-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel telephoto lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2-megapixel monochrome lens. Like its predecessor, this model comes with a signature shark fin pop-up module, which houses the 16-megapixel front camera. Under the hood, the Reno has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor and Adreno 618 graphics. A huge 4000 mAh battery provides all-day power to this device. The OPPO Reno 2 is available in two stunning colors, luminous black and sunset pink.